Duluth Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Well, all heck is trying to break loose to our west from Montana to North and South Dakota. They are getting snow, and it's probably going to add up through persistence over the next couple of days. But on a bright note for our region, well, the winter storm watch that was to our west is backing up further to our west. Yesterday it was pushing towards Beltrami County and Bemidji, but now it's dialed down more towards the Red River Valley. And so we're going to get something, but it isn't going to be as bad as it could be. Still, it probably will behoove us to drive cautiously this weekend because even a trace to 3 inches of snow can slick up the roadways. And again, our skills are a little bit rusty after, a whole 5 months off from driving in the snow? Only 5 months. All right, let's take a look at what's happening right now with current conditions at the airport in Duluth. Well, the live picture shows you what's going on down at the harbor. And even though there's a storm system on our doorstep, yeah, it's not as vigorous as the one we had on this date last year. Right now, though, we have a cloudier sky, getting a couple of showers, and current temp is 55. The wind is easterly 14 miles per hour, but that's about half of what it was last year. Relative humidity 83% and air pressure 29.83. Current regional temperatures still trying to be on the warmer side. Yesterday 70s was definitely the warmer side. Now 50s may be the best we can manage here for the next 7 days. And there's a sign that these 50s we're seeing, and even 60s for some towns like Hayward and Ironwood and Watersmeet, oh my, will go away because temperatures are starting to drop closer to the 40s here in Baudette already, and that's a cool down coming our way that could support the formation of snow by Saturday morning. Right now, our low pressure system is indeed right on the border with the Dakotas and Minnesota, and the warm sectors in the UP, Wisconsin, and Minnesota right now. That's why we have rain, and we'll continue to hold on to rain through tomorrow night. But on the backside of low, that's where the snow is happening, and at least a rain and snow mix will be coming our way for both Saturday and Sunday. So let's show you the estimates. First, we'll talk about the rain. Could be a bit of a soaker here. We're looking at about a ½ inch to 1 inch around the region here, close to 1 inch International Falls and Duluth, about a ½ inch towards Hayward. And that's on top of what we've already received here, 1.3 inches towards Grand Marais. Now let's factor in the snow. I don't think we're going to get that much snow. A trace to about 2 inches is the norm for our region spread over 2 days. Maybe close to 3 inches for Hayward, 1.5 inches here in Duluth, and maybe 1 inch straight up towards International Falls. It's from Bemidji points west where things will be indeed snowier. Now, forecast tonight, rainier for our area. We're looking at low temps to actually be warmer than the morning here. So we start off in the 50s, rain is likely, and as we eye up Wisconsin and Michigan, we're going to find out that low temps there will be in the 40s and 50s as well, with a good chance of rain continuing. And now we call it topsy-turvy tomorrow because tomorrow's highs will be lower than the overnight lows. Highs in the 40s with rain likely for Friday for Wisconsin and the UP. Upper 30s to 42 or so, 43 for Minnesota, rain likely. Windy too, southwesterly 10 to 20. And now with the extended forecast, we go from the rain on Friday to the mix possible on Saturday and Sunday. And by the time the mix wraps up Sunday night, again, a trace to about 3 inches for our region. A break with a cloudier sky on Monday, but another round of mixes could come a-calling on Tuesday and Wednesday. At this stage of the game, it looks like that go-around won't be that impressive either.
All right, I'm okay with that.
I think even some of the hardcore snow fans aren't ready for it quite yet, so I haven't heard too many complaints that the snow is going to fall in the Dakotas and not strike us.
There's still fall colors to go see, so let's get that out of the way.
Yeah, there's still grouse to go out and peruse and pursue out in the woods.
Right, we still have a fall season to enjoy here,
yeah,
so a little bit longer.